Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to follow someone on Pinterest. So by following someone, more of their content is going to show up in your feed. So if you're looking for something in particular like recipes or home decor ideas, when you follow creators in those niches, more and more of that type of content will be shown to you. So to start with, we're going to click on our home feed. And a lot of content will already show up there that you've already been looking at. If you want to find new people to follow, you can click on the search bar. So let's look for recipes. And then I'm going to scroll down and click on one of the pins. If I like what I see, I can click on their profile name. And from there, I can follow them by clicking on the follow button. So quick and easy. That is how to follow someone on Pinterest. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.